In this video I will show you how to edit Cyberpunk filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to +20. Highlights bring to -60. Shadows to +60. White to +40. Black to +20. Next go to color. Temperature to -15. Tint to +30. +30 for vibrance. And saturation to -10. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to -30. Next go to orange. Hue to -30. Next go to yellow. Hue to -40. Next go to green. Hue to +30. Next go to aqua. Hue to +30. Next go to blue. Hue to -30. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to -15. Dehaze to +30. Bring vignette to -20. Midpoint to 30. And feather to 60. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 285 and saturation to 50 of highlights. And hue to 230 and saturation to 50 of shadows. And balance to -30. And done. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password. That appears in the upper right corner as a card. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.